What, according to the speaker, knows the ground's incline in water? Water. Generations old strife in water refers to the dispute between village and Wada. According to the speaker, whatever disappears in water, untouchability. Whose agony is for a pot of water is mentioned in water. Panchamas. Who is entitled to pour water into Panchama's pot as mentioned in water. Ashudra. Mention any one of the types of humiliations met by the water girl in water. Water is poured from a distance, or the man who pours water falls all over and touches her. Whom did Karamachid Suvartama mentioned in water oppose? The Kamma landlords. According to the speaker in water, water is witness to social injustice. What is the speaker in water reminded of when she sees water? The Wada that thirsts all day for a glass of water. Where did the Mahat struggle mentioned in water take place? At the Chadar tank. What would the speaker's Wada mentioned in water thirst for all day? For a glass of water. According to the speaker in water, they never managed to win even a puddle of water. What was welcomed as a wondrous festival according to the speaker in water? Weekly bath. When does the speaker remember her childhood in water? When she sees water. What was burned to ashes for want of pot of water according to the speaker in water? Malapalli. Dash are playthings in the vicious hand of water according to the speaker in water. The poor. According to the speaker, what can water ignite in water? Many struggles and strips. Where does water finally become a commodity according to the speaker in water? In a Bisleri bottle. What is now a multinational market commodity mentioned in water? Water. What is the new name of water mentioned in water? Mineral water.